Here's how to find and recruit more models to your agency. All right, so I used to use a website called onlyfinder.com. I used to go on there, what you'd do, you type in location, it would list all of the girls who have OnlyFans account in that location, then you would filter by new, and then you could see all the ones that had an Instagram or a Twitter or something linked, then you would click on there and do the following. Otherwise, what you'd normally do is you go on Instagram, you look using hashtags, but here's the thing, a lot of people use OnlyFans related hashtags. OnlyFans girls, OnlyFans babes. But how many other people do you think are doing that? Which means you're gonna send a message and it's gonna be their 50th message for the day at least, and they're just gonna leave you on scene. So here's what you do. You look for girls using niche hashtags. Look for girls using hashtags that don't even have OnlyFans in the names. Real niche. For example, go emo girls USA. I'm just making shit up here. Think of a hashtag that a lot of agencies aren't using. Then once you've figured out a hashtag to use, at least one hashtag to use, you'll type it in, and then starting from the top of all the girls at the top, you'll go through each one, you'll follow them, and then send them this DM. Hey, Georgina, I saw your post ranking for the emo girls hashtag. Nice work with that, by the way. So I run quite a large brand, and I think that I can make you a lot more money with the OnlyFans. If you're interested, let me know. Otherwise, if not, no worries at all. You have a good day, all right? Now, here's the trick. What you'll do, you'll send that as a voice message. Here's what a lot of you do. You'll send a fucking super long message. Looks like a script as your first message. First of all, only 1% of those messages are gonna get seen. The rest are just gonna stay in the request tab on the girl's Instagram account. Nothing you can do about that. Well, you can reply to their stories, but still, they don't know you. It's just a numbers game. You're gonna send hundreds of DMs a day. I get a message. Hey Bjorn, I've sent 100 DMs today, it's not working. Do you have any other ideas? I said, bro, I sent 100 DMs in an hour when I was starting out. Keep going. A lot of you think, I've sent a few hundred DMs, no one's replied, this isn't working. And guess what? You thinking like that is what's not working. Social proof your personal Insta. I'm assuming you're starting out here. You'll social proof your personal Insta. Don't make another copy paste Instagram page for your agency. Otherwise, the girl's definitely not gonna look at it. Think of it like this. She looks at the request tab on her Instagram and she sees your OnlyFans empire. Yeah, she can't be bothered with that. Or she sees John Stevens voice message. What the? Gotta listen to that. So she'll click on it. Now, what you're gonna do, you're not gonna attempt to pitch her without social proof in your Insta first, so you're gonna social proof your personal Insta. You're gonna need at least 20 posts. Do whatever, flex. Just show yourself doing anything except for looking like a geek. Then you're gonna steal some earnings revenue screenshots, especially if you're starting out, you don't have any of your own. So here's what you do, you go to Facebook, go on there, sign up to the OnlyFans shout out for shout out groups, even make a female account. And then you join these OnlyFans shout out for shout out groups. And what they do is they share their earnings revenue screenshots as proof so that they can find someone else on their level to shout them out. And then you're just gonna swipe those, save them, put your little shitty watermark on, whatever you want your logo to be, any watermark, even just your name. Then you're gonna add them to your stories on your personal Insta, save them as highlights, boom, you have a social proof Insta, and then go sending DMs. And that's it. You're just gonna send a shitload of DMs a day. Use voice messages to pique curiosity. That will set you apart from all the other dorks, copying and pasting, sending scripts, and then you'll get a model that way. That's it. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.